This video demonstrates how to power on and set up Wi-Fi on the Xerox C310 printer. Press the power button to turn the printer on. The printer is fully powered on when the indicator light is blue. The setup wizard automatically opens. English is selected as the language. To select a different option, press the down arrow or up arrow on the control panel. Press OK to advance to the next screen. On the Security Setup screen, press the down arrow to skip and press OK to advance to the next screen. You can add a PIN at any time. Refer to the user guide for more information. On the Select Country Region screen, United States is selected. To select a different option, press the up or down arrows. Press OK. On the Select Time Zone screen, press the up or down arrows to select your time zone. Press OK. The home screen setup indicates your entries are saved. Press OK. The Security Setup screen displays an option to configure security settings on the embedded web server. Press OK to advance to the next screen. On the Enter Date screen, the numeric keypad or up and down arrows can be used to change the entries. To change the month, press the up or down arrows to select the month. Then press the right arrow to advance to the day. Press the up or down arrows to select the day, then press the right arrow to advance to the year. Press the up or down arrows to select the year, then press OK to advance to the next screen. On the Enter Time screen, Hour is highlighted. Using the same procedure, press the up or down arrows to select the hour. Then press the right arrow to advance to minutes. Press the up or down arrows to select the minutes. Then press the right arrow to advance to AM or PM. Press the up or down arrows to select AM or PM. Then press OK. On the Wireless Setup screen, press the right arrow to select Yes to connect to a wireless network. Press OK. Press OK to set up the network on the control panel. Press OK to choose a network. The printer searches for all available networks. On the Choose Network screen, press the up or down arrows to find your network. When the network name displays, press OK. Enter your network password using the numeric keypad. Each time you press a number, the printer displays the number and either a series of symbols or a series of lowercase and capital letters. Enter password, then press OK. The printer automatically connects to the network and verifies the connection. The home screen displays, then the printer IP address displays. The Wi-Fi setup is complete. From this screen, you can also select Status, Supplies, or Settings. Select Settings, then press OK. On the Settings menu, press the up or down arrows to select a menu option. In this case, Reports is selected. Press OK. From the Reports menu, select Network and press OK. Press OK to print the network setup page. The setup page shows the network settings, including the IP address. The Wi-Fi setup is verified on the network setup page.